How did it feel getting that news that you're going to make parole?
It was insane. It was really a euphoric moment, you know. But the best part was when I called home and they were trying to play it off like they didn't know, and they had actually found out before me. But I could just feel the energy through the phone. Everything was different. I was like, what are y'all hiding? They were like, well, I mean, what do you mean? Like, y'all are hiding something, and I'm hiding something too. I'm just trying to see, okay, do they really know? Because I wanted to surprise them. But currently right now, I'm working for the city, running my business, and then working with a couple horses for private clients.
So Mr. Franklin is on low supervision, so he qualifies to report every 3 months via phone. So we meet at that time, but every month he sends me all of his monthly documents that I require of him, like his attendance records, proof of his employment. Every month he comes up here and makes his fee payments. He completed some of the more intense program requirements, that's when his supervision level began to drop down. And he's done everything I've asked. He's always made sure to make all his visits. He calls me if anything changes, gets me all his program paperwork. He's done fantastic this entire time.
Parole has been none of what it's I haven't experienced any negatives with it. Everything negative that I heard, it's not been that. It's not been that. I like to believe that Miss Leake is probably the best parole officer in the state of Texas. She's very good at her job. She's very supportive. She has been nothing but a blessing to me and my transition back here. She's been extremely resourceful in supplying me with exactly what I needed, and it's been a blessing. It's been a blessing. Parole has been, it's been great. It's been great.